Hi, this is Mike from Mike's 50 again. Taking a video of my 2019 F150 XL 5.0 with a 10-speed transmission. This is a work truck I got from my guys to get to back and forth to the job sites. Getting a cap for it, coming in a couple of weeks with racks. It's got the trail hitch package and all that. But I am doing the first mod today that is a must-have with a new Ford pickup truck, any actually, with this auto stop start. Thanks to Auto Vlog, I know all about it, so I'm gonna replace that mechanism in there to keep the auto start off permanently. As you can see, my guys are using the truck for work, so they got waiting for the seat covers to come from Auto Anything. I ordered some neoprene seat covers; those are gonna go in there too. So. But it's a good truck, runs nice, rides nice and smooth, so they should be able to get back and forth to work with no problems. So, alright, I'll videotape some of the install in a second. Okay, so to put the auto stop eliminator in, I took out this little pad that goes in here, and then there's these two screws that I have to take out. Just had to get my pry tools. See the little prongs in there? They were really stuck in there, so I got my little plastic prying tool. Worked out great. So then I have these two screws to take out. I'll be back in a second. So now I got it out. I gotta go back here. Push this. I just put that down there. Can you see? Plug that. Then we take this, we plug the factory wire into this end. So make sure I get this in here right. Okay. Then we take this end, plug it back in here. Okay. It's all done. This. Put this back on. It clips right back in. Now I just have to put the tray back in, screw everything back together, and we're done. And that's it for the install on that. I'll show you how it works in a second. Okay, it's all back together now, nice, like it never was taken apart. We'll start it up. And it's off. So now every time I shut the truck off and start the truck back up, it should be off. See, it's automatically off. I never have to touch the button. Thanks to Mike at Auto Vlog, I got a discount. And you go there, you just put his name in, and it was great. This thing is awesome. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.